We're here at the Welcome Center. We're at our second location here for the installs today.
So Roxy's room is located right here at the Welcome Center at Best Friends. Here at the sanctuary, we're on 4,200 acres. Looked it up, they have about 495 cats. Sometimes we have up to 600, and they come in from anywhere all across the U.S. So having the laundry facility here is going to be fantastic.
All right, guys, y'all ready to rock? It's going to be tight. You already know that. Okay, am I good on this side? So far, so good. All right, we good? Yeah. And we're gonna pick it up and put it on this a little, and shimmy it through. All right, hang on one second.
How's it looking back there?
It's looking good. It's looking really good. It's a super tight squeeze back in there.
We're gonna have lots of cat laundry. We have about 15 cats that are gonna live here. And we have bunnies, so we never had a wash and dry at the Welcome Center, so we're happy to receive one. Speed Queen is gonna come through for us.
All right, so we're gonna slowly slide it back, your way a little.
You're saying I'm skinnier? Is that a skinny joke?
You're probably skinnier than me, I can tell you that.
You can imagine these cats dirty up a lot of stuff. Lots of blankets, little beds, and all sorts of stuff to keep these kitties nice and clean and happy.